Alright, let's give this challenge a go. First, you have to switch the sheet to workout log V1. We're currently on form responses 2, so we need to switch the sheet to workout log V1. There we go. What's the next step? Go to the File menu, select Spreadsheet Settings, and set locale to Australia. Let's give that a go. Go back to the sheet, File, Spreadsheet Settings. So currently it's set to United States location. That means we're going to have a click on it, and I need you to change it to all the way up to Australia and save the setting. It's going to refresh the page. It's okay, all good. Moving on to the next step. In cell B2, enter the date as 2016. So that's cell B2 over here, 2016. Push enter, and then in cell K2, enter the date as 21/10/2016. K2 over here, 21/10/16. Enter. Step 4, in cell E28, create a function that adds the ranges of cells E21 through to E27. E21 to E27, of adding all these together, and we want our answer to be here. So we're going to use our functions, the sum function. There we go. We're going to start all the way from E21 to E27. I'm going to add it all together. Push enter. Looks a bit funky over here. So what's the next instruction that's told to us? It says that you may need to reformat your answer by going to the format on the menu bar at the top and choosing number to automatic. To do that, return to your Google Sheet, click on E28, click on format, number, and automatic. There we go. So it's added up all these minutes, and we get 4 hours and 54 minutes as the answer. So that's the total time spent on running. Let's go to step 5. In cell L15, use the functions button to insert a function that will find the average numbers of reps for the range of cells L5 through to L14. So L15, I'm going to probably scroll up. L15 is here, and we're trying to find the average of all the numbers in the cells above. Click on functions to average. So we're starting from L5 all the way to L14. Push enter, and 15 is the average reps for this set. In the cell B17, enter the text total number of upper body reps. I'm just going to copy this. In cell B17, it's here. I'll just paste it there. There we go. Wrap the text in B17 so you can read it all. I need to wrap this text. Remember how to wrap? Over here is the text wrapping. Click on it, and I want to wrap it. So I'm going to choose the middle one just to wrap it. Number 8. In cell C17, enter a function that adds up the total number of reps in the upper body sets. That, i.e., cell ranges from C5 to C14, E5 to E14, and G5 to G14. Your formula will need to add 3 functions together. Let's give this one a go. So in C17 here, it's going to equal the sum of, let's have a look. So first is C5 to C14. So C5 to C14. I'm going to put a little comma between it to separate my sums. So first I want to add all these together. The next one is E5 to E14. E5 to E14. Another comma to separate our another sum range. And G5 to G14. Close the parentheses, push enter, and the total number is 374. So I've added all these together, this cell range over here, and this cell range over here. Okay, 374. Let's try the next one. Make cells B17 to C17 bold and change the size to 11 points. So B17 to C17, we're going to make it bold and change the font size to 14. Oh, 11 points. Apologies. 11. Put a border around C17 is the next step. C17. Adding a border using the borders tool. Let's choose this one. There we go. Number 11. Center the number in C17 both horizontally and vertically. This means the number should appear in the middle of the cell. To align it so that's in the middle, remember we have our horizontal align tool. So first we're going to horizontally align it, so put it in the center. On the right of the horizontal align is the vertical align. If you click on it, you can either put it at the top, the bottom, or the middle. And I want it in the center, in the middle. There we go. And then next, the one is calculate all averages in cells M15 to Q15. So M15 to Q15. So it's all the way here to here. Because I've already used this formula, which calculates the average of all the cells above it, I can use the fill handle and just copy the formula so that it becomes the same on each of the ones on the right. So this cell over here will be the average of all the upper cells. This cell over here will become the upper of all these cells, etc. That is the challenge done. What's the next question? Go to the view menu and turn on all formulas. Adjust the width of your columns if necessary so your formulas can be read, and then take screenshots required. Remember, click on view, show formulas. I can't see the formula given here, so I will have to resize it using the auto sizing tool. Just double clicking between C and D, double clicking between D and E, and F, up and G, G and H, H and I. There we go. Auto sized it. Following through. L and M, M and N, N and O, O P, Q, Q, and one more is Q and R. Those are all the formulas used, and you need to screenshot this sheet. So you will be taking multiple screenshots as it's quite a wide sheet. Please take a screenshot of whatever formulas you've typed in here, and also whatever formulas you have typed in for the 21st of the 10th.